Using grout in the toilet base groove gives a firm, long-lasting stabilizing support that prevents rocking while still allowing the wax ring to handle the primary water seal. Grout provides compressive strength and fills gaps tightly so the toilet sits solid on the floor, which reduces stress on the flange and tank bolts. Use a polymer modified thinset or floor grout rated for bathroom use, mixed to a peanut butter consistency so it will hold shape without slumping into the trapway. Remove the toilet, clean the flange area and ring seating surface. Inspect and replace the wax ring if compressed or damaged. Then pack grout into the groove or recess around the flange before resetting the bowl, so the grout compresses and locks the base flat to the finished floor. Allow the grout to cure fully following the manufacturer cure time, typically 24 to 48 hours, before using the toilet to avoid movement while it sets. After curing, a very thin bead of silicone applied only along the outer edge of the base improves appearance and keeps surface dirt from collecting, but do not rely on silicone for structural support or as the water seal. If you must use a non-wax option for the seal, choose an appropriate rubber or foam gasket designed for flange sealing and still use grout for lateral stability. A common mistake is using silicone as the primary seal, which can hide a failing wax ring and allow water to pool under the flange, so rely on a proper wax ring or rubber gasket for the seal and use silicone only for cosmetic edge finishing. Another issue is overpacking grout into the trapway, which can obstruct the flange and prevent the wax ring from seating. Avoid this by limiting grout to the outer groove or recess and keeping the trap opening clear. Homeowners sometimes reset and tighten bolts immediately and use the toilet before materials cure, which leads to hairline movement and cracked grout. Let the grout cure the full recommended time and only then torque the nuts evenly in small increments. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work related to bathroom and other home projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and review techniques for installations like grout versus silicone at the toilet base.